Hello and welcome to Geek at Play Studio tutorials. In this tutorial I want to look more on lighting options and see what is cutoff light and everything its meaning, so we can explore and understand better how we can use it. Let's go first to set our all scenery dark black, and if you remember how we did this, we go to the sun, take all not visible corona, go to the lights and actually ambient, select the dark black all the way. We can also switch the overall dark light colors. Okay, we'll go to sky. We'll just set this all options to the zeros. Okay, next we go ahead, select sunlight and put it sunlight down below ground. So on that case, when we go to render our scenery, you can see it's total dark black, so it won't be affecting, any light pollution will affect us. So let's go ahead right now and create the spotlight. I want to move right around here, rotate so it's going to angle. And a couple things I want to do. I want to enable volumetric light so we can preview our lights easy so we can see it. And also let's decrease slightly on our spotlight spread. So let's go to about maybe 17. Okay, now we preview, we can see this is our lighting. Now what we can actually adjust even more, so we can move a little bit higher, have much more area to view. The one thing, let's go look right now, it is on our lighting tab inside Light Editor. And this is the options which we have it available. Normally we have it linear, quadric or custom. And what is happening, you can notice where we have it light cut off. It's from beginning and going down to the end. Right here we can see how light linear and quadric, it's actually same will cut off but only a little bit faster, steeper. What I want to do is work on our custom. So let's go to reset to the standard, and a standard won't affect anything. You won't see any different on this. So when we go ahead and render, it's a normal lighting. To understand how it's work, the easy way, let's go to load it just absolute from pre-default. What is happening, we have a bright light, no light and bright light, and we have it cut off distance set to 10 meters. So let's click OK and render, and you notice right here it's where we're cutting off our lights. So if we're going back, edit object, and we switch to the 20 meters, go render again. Now you can notice we moved, so we moved from 10 meters to the 20 meters mark of cut off. Again, if we're going and we'll move to the 30 meters, again now we move even more. So what it does for us, this one, it's tell us intensity on a light, if we want it high or and at which point. So this is end of the light, this is middle, this is distance, how much it will spread a cut off of this light. So let's go open and select maybe something SAT, click OK, and now you can notice with these options, this is where we start manipulating with the light, hard cut off and smooth increasing. So with these lights we start kind of manipulating. Okay, let's go do other things. For example, let's go to loaded filter and we'll just load invert, and I want set, for example, 15 meters. So it's meaning our lights must decreasing and end up slowly up to this range. So and you can notice right here we begin with our lights going up to 15 meters and we cut off at this point. But let me set it to final render so we have a little bit better quality to preview on this. Again, on this case, it's nice with the lights if you want to cut off and say I don't want to influence objects there, or maybe lights like in the sky, searchlights or wherever they have limitation. By using this cutoff custom filter, you can apply how powerful or what is lights you will have it. Okay, as well as you can go inside and use any other one predefined filters and see how well they will affect. Let's go example this one. We'll say 50 meters. Oops. Okay, click OK. In this case we don't see so much different because it's influence of the light. It's just slightly. Again, this is other ways to manipulate with the lights. Let's go back now, edit, and also let's go right now to reset our filter, and we'll look on variable colors. So when you enable this option, what you can do, you can load it different type of the lights that will do same as we did with the distance, except they will only apply to the color of our light beam. So in that case, when we set up, you can see it, how our rainbow was starting expanded with a different coloring. As well as we can look on a cutoff light and preview this. You can see now we extended. It's a point ways this filter will apply, and on a cutoff, what it does, it will take the last color, and that station it will be red, and extend all the way out of this. So if you wanted its finish on the end, we can do, let's take just normal inverse. Okay, we'll set this one, for example, to 20 meters, same as here, to 20 meters. In this case, you can notice we applied or light the selection from 20 meters and included cut off on an end of ours. Okay, this is kind of a short tutorial. Just look on the sliding tab. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Geek at Play Studio. Please visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.